US Payroll Setup using the Easy Setup Assistant. Payroll Categories. Accruals. Let's move on to accruals. In an accrual category, we need to set the type of accrual. The user-entered amount per pay period should be selected if we want to manually enter the specific amount for each employee each pay period. We would choose this option if the amount varies regularly. The equals a percentage of option allows us to set the accrual as a percentage of the number of hours of any hourly wage category. It can only be used with employees who have an hourly base pay as indicated on their employee card. To implement this, we type a percentage in the first field and then select a wage category from the selection list, which shows all our hourly wage categories. The list also contains gross hours and federal hours, both of which total all wage categories, hourly and salary, we pay to an employee. The equals X hours per period option allows us to specify a fixed number of hours to be accrued each pay period, month, or year, regardless of the hours worked by an employee. If we had set our employees to be paid on a salary basis rather than an hourly basis, this is the only option that will allow us to automatically accrue hours. Using this method, we would enter the number of hours to accrue per month, year, or pay period. If we indicate a number per month or year, AccountEdge will automatically calculate the correct hours per pay period. We would checkmark this box if we wanted the accrual to print on a pay stub, and checkmark this box if we allow carryover. We need to link the accrual category to a payout category. So a vacation accrual category would be linked to a vacation wage category, for example. When we pay the employee using the associated wage category, the accrual amount will be correctly and automatically decremented. We click the Employee button to associate this accrual category with employees. We would click the New button to add a new accrual category. When any category is linked to several employees, any change made to the category will apply to all the employees associated with the category. In this case, if different employees have different accrual rates, that is, they accrue different vacation time, then we will need to create an accrual category for every employee with different rates. We could create categories by groups. For example, an accrual for 2 weeks vacation, another for 3 weeks, and another for 4. Then associate the appropriate categories with the employees.